Looking to take your embroidery projects to the next level without jumping straight into a commercial multi-needle machine? Today we're reviewing the Brother NQ1700E Embroidery Machine, a dedicated embroidery machine featuring a 6 inches by 10 inches maximum embroidery area, 258 built-in designs, 13 lettering fonts, a color touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and automatic thread cutting. And depending on the package you're looking at, you may also get the magnetic hoop and Brother BES Blue Embroidery Software. But is the NQ1700E worth considering for serious home embroidery and small business projects? Let's find out. The Brother NQ1700E is designed specifically for embroidery rather than general sewing. Its 6 inches by 10 inches embroidery field gives you considerably more room than many smaller home embroidery machines, making it suitable for larger names, monograms, apparel designs, home decor and personalized projects. Brother also includes 258 built-in embroidery designs, 13 embroidery lettering fonts and 140 frame pattern combinations, giving beginners plenty of designs to start with before creating their own. Let's start with the embroidery capabilities. The 6 inches by 10 inches maximum embroidery area is one of the biggest advantages of the NQ1700E. The machine includes two standard frames, 6 inches by 10 inches and 5 inches by 7 inches, giving you flexibility depending on the size of your project. The machine can embroider at speeds of up to 850 stitches per minute, while speed adjustment lets you control the pace for different projects. You also get automatic thread trimming, upper and bobbin thread sensors, an advanced needle threading system and a quick-set bobbin, which can reduce some of the repetitive work involved in embroidery. The touchscreen is another major highlight. The NQ1700E has a 4.85-inch color LCD touchscreen with on-screen editing features including resizing, rotating, repositioning, drag and drop editing and combining designs. Wireless connectivity is also built in. When connected to a compatible wireless network, you can use design database transfer to send designs from a computer to the machine without having to transfer them using a USB drive. And if your package includes BES Blue, you get an additional design and lettering environment with 199 pre-digitized fonts and more than 800 embroidery designs, along with tools for editing, monograms, applique creation, color sorting and exporting designs in multiple embroidery formats. For everyday embroidery, the NQ1700E is designed to balance a relatively large working area with convenient automation. The larger embroidery field makes it useful for shirts, jackets, bags, towels, home decor and personalized gifts, while the automatic trimming and thread sensors can make longer projects easier to manage. The on-screen editing is particularly useful when you want to make quick adjustments directly on the machine rather than going back to a computer for every small change. The magnetic hoop option can also make hooping certain projects more convenient, but it's important to remember that a hoop's physical size doesn't increase the machine's maximum embroidery field. So the NQ1700E's 6 inches by 10 inches embroidery area remains the key limitation for very large designs. So, is the Brother NQ1700E Embroidery Machine worth buying? If you're looking for a dedicated home embroidery machine with a larger 6 inches by 10 inches field, the NQ1700E is a strong option to consider. You get 258 built-in designs, 13 lettering fonts, wireless connectivity, touchscreen editing, automatic thread trimming, thread sensors and embroidery speeds up to 850 stitches per minute. And if your bundle includes the magnetic hoop and BES Blue Software, you have even more flexibility for creating and customizing embroidery projects. It's especially appealing for serious hobbyists, personalized gift creators, home embroiderers and small embroidery businesses. It won't replace a commercial multi-needle machine for high-volume production, but for a powerful single-needle home embroidery setup, the NQ1700E is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of embroidery machines, sewing equipment, crafting technology and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.